Sarah felt stuck in a life she didn't want. Maybe it's time for a change. She began to learn about the power of positive thinking. I'm grateful for my health and my loving family. Sarah started visualizing her ideal future. I attract positivity and success into my life. She decided to let go of limiting beliefs. Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm passionate about digital marketing. An opportunity appeared, aligning with her vision. I believe I'd be a great fit for this position. I got the job. My dream is becoming a reality. Step by step, Sarah's life began to change. I'm grateful for this beautiful space and inner peace. She continued to invest in personal growth. Giving back feels so rewarding. Sarah opened her heart to new relationships. I never knew love could feel this effortless. Her career flourished as she embraced her potential. Thank you. This means so much to me. Sarah's dreams continued to manifest. We did it. Our dream home is becoming a reality. Their shared vision came to life. I'm grateful for this journey of growth and manifestation. She marveled at how far she had come. Believe in the power of your thoughts and dreams. Sarah became an inspiration to others. We're living the life we once only dreamed about. Your thoughts create your reality. Choose them wisely. She found joy in helping others transform their lives. I manifested my soulmate and our perfect day. Their family grew, another dream realized. Welcome to the world, little one. You're a miracle. She embraced new challenges with positivity. Let's focus on all the good things in our lives. Their life was filled with love and laughter. I'm grateful for this opportunity to grow and lead. They dreamed of making a bigger impact. Together, we can make a difference in the world. The law of attraction changed my life, and it can change yours too. They cherished every moment of their blessed life. Visualize your ideal life. Feel it becoming your reality. Their love and success continued to grow. Dreams do come true when you believe and take action. She continued to inspire and empower others. We're teaching our children the joy of giving back. Her positive impact on the world was recognized. We've created a beautiful life beyond our wildest dreams. The cycle of positivity and abundance continued. Remember, your thoughts have the power to shape your destiny. And click the link below this video for more help using the law of attraction.